Is your back telling you to stop doing this? Are you tired of weeds? What if I tell you there's a much easier and better way of gardening? Let me show you. Okay, so what you see here is a couple of no digging raised beds. What exactly is no digging? Well, in very simple terms, it's a way to emulate Mother Nature. We are now at a small forest near my place, and what I want you to see here is the soil. Just follow me here. Have a look. The ground is full of fallen leaves and wooded bits, you know, branches and all that. Now have a look at this. If I move the soil a little bit, just pay attention to what you'll see. The forest soil is full of decomposed organic matter, and that's exactly what we try to emulate with no-dig gardening. I mean, look at that. That's basically compost. And all of that dry leaves and branches and stuff, all of that decompose and transform into new soil, just full of microorganisms and nutrients. So with no-dig gardening, we effectively emulate that process that is a natural process of nature. Okay, so how do we start with no digging then? What we'll be doing basically is to recreate that topsoil I showed you from the forest. We'll be emulating all those leaves and branches and organic matter laying on top of the existing soil or ground. So in order to do that, we'll use cardboard and compost. That's all you need. If you want, you can make some raised beds, you know, frames, wooden frames for the raised bed, but you don't need it. All you need is cardboard to block the sunlight, and that will kill the existing grass or weeds, and over time decomposed into the soil. And on top of that cardboard we'll add some compost where we can plant straight away. So I'll show you with this one. And we add that wooden frame on top of the cardboard, making sure there's no spaces between the layers of cardboard. Let me see if I can show you here. And I like to use cardboard for the paths between the beds as well. That way there will be no grass or weeds growing around your beds. Now once you are finished with the cardboard layers, all we need to do is add some compost on top of that. So that is all you need to know to get started with no digging, no dig gardening. If you do it right, you won't need one of these anymore. So all you need to do is keep adding compost on top of the existing one each year, after each season, and it should last you forever, because you'll be doing the work of Mother Nature. Okay, so any comments, questions, please write it down in the comment section. I always do my best to answer everything. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.